Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually configure teams, make new teams and change the teams in Wuthering Waves. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you how to actually do it. Now the first step that you want to take is actually press escape in Wuthering Waves. Now from there, you see the teams option right here. Now as you can see, this is my main team. This is pre-selected, and what I want to do, let's say I want to choose team 2, I can simply press plus, and here I can choose the resonators to my liking. Now here I can sort by level and sort by rarity. I would recommend you sort by rarity because then you get the better players above, and here you can change the team depending on the skills and the levels, of course, in every situation that you turn into. And here you can actually quick setup, deploy the team. If you want to change the team you've just made and you want to play with it, simply press deploy, and then you can start playing with that team. Now, if this tutorial was helpful for you, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.